Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, yeah, these lines still pertain, but they're not really relevant anymore. So I'm just going to move these out of the way. No point in having all sorts of lines everywhere and risking causing clutter, which can lead to confusion. So just going to move those out of there, and we're going to use these at different locations, again, from spirit of presentation and just keeping things as clean, as clear as possible. So the first area of support that's been established after today is right here at 23 cents, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? Well, if 23 cents can continue to hold, and I say continue because you can see on several different instances today, both there and then a couple of times late day, the bears try to press down through 23, but in each case, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 23 cents, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold up above there, that would certainly be best case scenario. Next level of support after that, in the event 23 cents cannot hold, down here at 20 cents. So 23 cents, 20 cents, two are the nearer term levels of support. But if you care about the big picture of things and you're just kind of sitting there saying, all right, yeah, that's great, but what about this, the overall move here? How can I measure the health of that? How can I measure the health of it? Well, the easiest way to gauge the health or strength, however you want to visualize that, all revolves around the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move upwards and look something like that. So again, very cut and dry way to measure the health of the move. Simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. So while sure it'd be great for it to hold above 23 cents, not the end of the world if it doesn't, because you still do have, plenty of wiggle room up above the overall trend indicator being that purple line. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward, and I'm just going to talk about one for the time being. I'll explain that, but that's right here at 28 cents. You can see all sorts of price congestion right around this 28 cent mark, so that is definitely where the sellers are currently hanging out at. But I'm just focused on one right now because, in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just building higher bases. Case in point right here, you can see what higher bases led to. So as long as higher bases continue to be built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.